From rickrayfx.com, and I just want to do a little bit of a follow-up on the video that I made yesterday. We did a couple of signals. We looked at the gold, and then we looked at the US dollar Mexican peso. So I just wanted to see how those trades turned out. If you remember what I was saying, that the Fullerton signals gave us 1288 as a target for our profit, and that's exactly where it went to. But then when I was making the video, it looked like it was starting to come down, and we were waiting for the US market to open. Well, on this green candle is where the US market opened, and it went back up and touched the 1288, but then the downtrend did continue. So if you had got in earlier when we saw that gold crossed below the 8 EMA, would have been a very good trade for the next few hours down to about right here, and you would have had a good 50 or 60 pip win. So that one worked out really nicely yesterday. Then looking at the Mexican peso, if you remember my video from yesterday, I said that the trend had started up, and here is my line when the US market opened. So I put my trend line across there from the previous high a couple of days ago over to the current high when I was making the video, and I said if it breaks the trend line, then I would be going long on the US dollar Mexican peso, expecting it to go up to about R2 or R3. Well, it didn't break the trend line, so I did not go long. But then as the US market opened, I saw that it started to come down, and it looked like we're getting a downward move there, so I put a trend line across the bottom which formed support, and when it broke the trend line, that gave me confirmation that this downward trend was very likely to continue, which it did down to here for over 120 pips. So just a little matter of using a trend line for the entry point helps you to be more sure about the trade and make a better decision. If it doesn't break your trend line, then you have no trade. I expected to go long on this, but I didn't, and I could have stayed out of the trade, but I saw the downward move, so I put another trend line across the bottom and went short yesterday on the US dollar Mexican peso. So that's how I use my trend lines in planning my trades and setting up my trades, and then waiting for the movement to take action and give me confirmation of the plan that I've made, and that's when I enter the trade. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope it helped a little bit. I just wanted to do a follow-up on the two trades that I analyzed yesterday. And if you enjoyed watching this, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. And if you're watching it on Facebook, well, just like it on Facebook. Appreciate that very much. Thanks for watching. Take care, guys, and I will see you again tomorrow.